Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and Arlen, the patio gardeners, on a beautiful sunny weekend day. Tiffany, we've had some changes in the garden recently. Why don't you tell me about what's going on over here?
Well, we have a very healthy squirrel population in our backyard, and they have been having a smorgasbord of heirloom tomatoes.
Yes, these are the nice, would be expensive if you bought them at the grocery store, heirloom tomatoes that we've been enjoying growing, and boy, they've been taking bites out of each one of these. We've heard that squirrels and the like only will take a bite out of things when they're thirsty, not hungry. So we tried to have a little dish of water, a little container of water, but they knock it over a lot, and we're not convinced that it's just a thirst. We think they're actually eating for hunger potentially.
Oh yeah, they've been eating the cherry tomatoes like apples. So
yeah, like literally holding the cherry tomato in their hand. So that's a little bit frustrating, but you know, we're still harvesting quite a lot of tomatoes. Tiffany, tell me about what we have going here. This is the space that used to be our zucchini plant. What happened to it?
Well, we had two problems. The first was we had the squash bugs, which we got that problem under control. We made a video about that. I'll link that here. But then after we got the squash bugs under control, we discovered that there were vine borers.
Which are much harder to get rid of.
Yeah, and I tried to kind of do the thing where you cut the stem and pull them out, but I was just like, you know what, forget it. And we pulled the whole plant, so it's gone.
So it's gone. So this means that on the bright side of things, we have some free space. So I think we might seed some new things here. Kind of a late summer, early fall planting, which should be nice. We got a little bit of free space. We also have some free space in this little container that used to have radishes in it. So I think we'll be planting some new stuff. Yeah, so that's kind of what we have growing on in our garden. We'd love to hear how things are going for you at this kind of mid-late summer stage. We've been getting a lot of these little eggplants, which has been kind of a joy, these little tiny eggplants. So that's enjoyable. So let us know how your garden is going in the comments. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll update you next time. See you soon.
Bye.